So you know that bottle of hydrogen peroxide sitting in your medicine cabinet right now, the one you probably paid less than $2 for? What if I told you it's one of the most powerful healing tools you have in your home, and most people have no idea how to use it properly? I'm Alan Mandell, and today on your Health Circle, I'm going to show you exactly how this simple compound can transform your oral health, eliminate infections, and solve problems that have been bothering you for years. Here's what makes hydrogen peroxide so incredibly effective. It's a powerful disinfectant that literally oxidizes the cell membranes of harmful microorganisms. What does that mean in plain English? It destroys the structure of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, causing them to die. And here's the thing, your mouth is absolutely teeming with pathogens right now. That's normal. But when these pathogens get out of control, that's when you develop gingivitis, cavities, strep throat, and all sorts of oral health nightmares. Now, before we go any further, I need you to understand something critical. You must use 3% hydrogen peroxide. That's the standard concentration you'll find at any drugstore. Do not use anything stronger. This is extremely important for your safety. So here's exactly what you're going to do. Take 1 part hydrogen peroxide and mix it with 2 parts water. You don't need much, just a small amount in a cup. Put it in your mouth and start swishing it around for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you're dealing with a sore throat, tilt your head back and gargle with it. But listen carefully, do not swallow this solution. When you're finished, spit it out completely. The results? They're going to blow your mind. This kills the bad bacteria causing your bad breath. It soothes those bleeding, sore gums. And here's something that might surprise you. Over time, this will actually whiten your teeth. Why? Because many commercial toothpastes contain hydrogen peroxide as an active ingredient. You're just getting it in its pure, effective form. For your throat, this is an absolute game changer. It prevents invasive bacteria from taking hold and causing that painful sore throat you dread. I've seen people avoid illness after illness simply by incorporating this into their routine. Now let me tell you about canker sores. You know those painful raw ulcerations that show up inside your lip or on your cheek? They can linger for weeks and make eating absolutely miserable. Here's your solution. Take that same diluted mixture, dip a cotton swab into it, and dab it on the canker sore several times throughout the day. The relief is remarkable, and the healing time is drastically reduced. But wait, there's more. One of my absolute favorite uses for hydrogen peroxide is removing excessive earwax. And please, never put a cotton swab into your ear canal. You can seriously damage your eardrum. Instead, if you're dealing with impacted earwax, here's what you do. Take 2 to 3 drops in a small dropper. Tilt your head to the side and let those drops fall into your ear. You're going to hear fizzing. Don't panic, that's completely normal. Keep your head tilted for 4 to 5 minutes, then do the other side. Do this several times a week and you'll notice that hardened earwax starting to soften up. Here's a pro tip. Take a hot shower after using the hydrogen peroxide. That hot, moist environment combined with the peroxide you've already applied will accelerate the natural removal of that earwax. You'll actually see it draining out on its own. It's one of the safest, most effective remedies you'll ever find. So let's bring this all together. Hydrogen peroxide is an incredibly powerful, incredibly inexpensive tool that can revolutionize your oral health and ear care. It destroys harmful microorganisms by breaking down their cell walls. It eliminates bad breath, whitens your teeth, fights gingivitis, reduces inflammation, and safely removes earwax, all for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. I hope this information transforms your health the way it has for so many others. Share this with your friends and family because everyone needs to know about this. Leave your comments below. I love hearing your experiences and questions. And most importantly, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell from your Health Circle.